Oh, the plant sale. This is a big deal. And boy, I'm glad I got here early because things are flying off these shelves. I got some vegetables and herbs and some things that I wasn't planning on because they look really great. You know, the master gardeners here were telling me what they were going to look like. These blackberry lilies that sound really exciting. It's a big win.
We came here purposely for these cigar plants. They're gorgeous. I mean, everything's labeled. Everyone is so nice and helpful. We had a blast today.
It's our first time. I'm a Florida resident here from Auburndale, Florida, and wasn't familiar with the plant sale at all. Showed up today at 8:30. I'm going to tell you, when they say show up early, they aren't kidding. It's a great deal, and it's a beautiful morning, so we're going to make it here early next year.
We came here to get plants, mostly edibles, and I think I got more than what I bargained for.
Oh, yeah, a little bit more.
I was able to get some spearmint, rosemary, basils.
I got some of the shampoo ginger plants, some passion flower, and
Some rubber trees, yeah. We loved it. It was great.
It was great.
We were able to walk through the aisles, took our time, and found what we needed.
I got the aster, I got the palladium. You know, always just looking at different plants to make sure I have a good variety, mostly natives. So that's my go-to plants are the natives. It's good to see all these people turning out for this event. I'm glad that we had such a great turnout.
I think we got some blanket flower, a little bit of mint, this shrimp plant, which is kind of cool. I just walked around, picked through it. It was great. This is our second year here. We got here earlier this year. You know, it's nice.
We got a lot of plants last year that are doing really, really well in our garden, and we came to get some more. We love supporting IFAS and purchasing native plants for our Polk County home.
I found you guys to begin with on Facebook. That's where I found the notification. This is my first experience here, and I will be back. You know what? The prices are wonderful, and the people here are great.